Put it together on a table like this, wire it together, put it on a 12-volt battery and turn it on. When you turn it on, short beep indicating everything alright, no movement at all. When you push this button, this is micro switch actuator button, then it will move the pulley and move it a little bit back. When you push it continuously, again, it will start moving until the end position when the pedal is up. Once again, one click, comes back, push it long, goes up front. Good. Once again, up, short click after that, goes fast. So this is how you can do short and long things. With this one, you can adjust the clutch engagement point. I just turned it a little bit, doesn't matter which direction. You can see the pulley is now stepping in a different position. One more time, yes. If you switch it again, it goes further. Yes, so this is how you can adjust. Test it, play with that to get familiar how it works. Should be cabled here, negative, here is plus 12 volt DC obviously. Here you have to put that the white to the white, black to the black, and red to the red to the positioning sensor. The positioning sensor goes back to the control unit, and the control unit on these legs providing through these red cables to the 5 volt plus to the sensor. What else do you have to know? There are some further adjustment possibilities here. I would like to ask you to play with that, read the manual, and accordingly just feel free to play with that on this table before you start any kind of mounting procedure. If you do it, you will understand how the system works, and then you will not make any mistakes during the installation or the calibration. One that means that's programmed. This chip is very sensitive. Please don't make any short circuit on that and also these things can be hot because continuously current is going through, but this is a normal thing, so it will not cause any trouble, simply dissipation of the heat. And when you finish the installation, you can turn it off. You can also test the brake cables, which is the green one over here. You can find it somewhere. And this is it. When you push it, +4, +12, nothing happens. Nothing happens. But once you push the mic activation and the clutch actuator is in this engagement position, and you give 5 volt, it moves back to the fully disengaged clutch position. When you let it go, so once again, when you give 12 volt, it goes back like brake is pressed on the vehicle, and you let it go, it goes back. And you can, this function is how it works. You may hear in this case some beeps. It means the position is not over positioned, the system. This is due to that there is no load on the pulley itself. Don't worry about that, it's just fine. Under load it will work differently. Of course, if you can put there some load on this, like weight which is hanging 10 kilograms or something like that, and in this case it will match it. So I would encourage you to play with the system before you do any kind of installation. Play with that a half a day or 2 hours or whatever time you need to understand how the system works. And when you are fully understood how the system works on this very simple test case, then you can proceed with the installation. Thank you very much. Enjoy. Have fun.